Hello, welcome to Jasmine Jessie. Hope you are well. Let's talk about how to grow and care for Chinese fan palm, means fountain palm. In this video, care, type, pruning, propagation, growing from seed, potting, pest and disease common problems included. Chinese fan palm are popular landscape plant in warm, humid climate and are also fairly suitable as indoor potted palm. These palm are also known by the common name fountain palm due to the way they are found arch up and then spill downward like water from a fountain. Each found can grow 40 to 60 inches long. It is best to plant Chinese fan palm in the spring. These slow growing palm have a bushy appearance when they are young, but in roughly a decade, their single slender grayish brown trunk will have grown all enough to be classified as a tree. Chinese fan palm care. Chinese fan palm are fairly hardy and are not overly partial about their growing conditions, which make them a good choice for beginner gardeners. Still, providing the right amount of light, warmth, and water is a must for growing a healthy plant. Whatever you grow these palm in a container or in a ground, they require good soil draining. Light. Chinese fan palm grow best in full sun to partial shade, meaning that they need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight on most days. Young palm prefer some shade, especially from the hot afternoon sun. Indoor, these palm to best located by a bring window with indirect light. Soil. These palm can tolerate a variety of soil type including sandy and clay if there is a good drainage. They thrive in rich, loamy soil with a slightly acidic to natural soil pH for container grown plants. Use a quality potting mix made specially for palm. Water. Lightly moist but not soggy soil is ideal for Chinese fan palm. Overwatering can cause root rot and other disease which can ultimately kill the palm. Established Chinese fan palm to have some drought tolerance, but you must water them draining during dry spell and or very hot weather. During the winter month, allow the soil to dry out for container grown plant because the palm is not attractively growing. Increase water during the spring, summer, and fall. Temperature and humidity. Unlike many other palm species, Chinese fan palm actually have more resistance to cold and frost. They can survive temperature as low as 15 to 20 Fahrenheit. So this will likely damage so foliage. They thrive in warm, humid weather to raise humidity and prevent foliage from drying out. Regularly mist the palm. Indoor protect your palm from drafts and as well as airflow from heating and air conditioning vents. Fertilizers. Fertile soil with promote faster and heliothorous growth on these palm. Apply palm fertilizer 2 or 3 times from late winter to early fall. The plant's growing season. Following label instructions. Type of fan palm. There are here are survival other palms that also use the common names of fan palm: European fan palm, California fan palm, real fan palm, and etc. Pruning. Chinese fan palm typically don't require much pruning. They will develop their um, cas- um, cascading shape on their one. However, to keep your palm looking tidy, it's a good idea to prune of the dead front and the bottom of the crown once a year or as often as you wish. Wait until the front have fully turned brown before removing them, because the front there are that are in the process of um, deprecating are still providing nutrients to the plant. Propagating Chinese fan palm. Also, Chinese fan palm is relatively easy to grow from seed. It is a long process, so most people propagate it by taking cutting. This is the best done from a medium-sized plant growth in a container. Here, how to do it. Number one, carefully remove the palm from the container, shake off the excess soil, and look for a shaker stem grow near the base of the plant. Two, use a sharp sterilized knife to cut sucker away from the mother plant. Three, prepare a medium-sized container and fill it with mixed or of a 1 part perlite or sand and 2 part palm potting mix. 4. Plant the sucker into the pot and firmly press down potting mix around it. Water well, then place the planted cutting into a loosely secured plastic bag. 5. Place the covered cutting in a bright warm location that it out is out of direct sunlight until roots develop. At this point, the plastic can be removed and you can move the plant to a sunny location to continue growing as a new potted palm. How to grow Chinese fan palm from seed? Although the process is very slow, it is possible to grow Chinese fan palm from seeds collected from the small fruits left behind after the inflorescence fade. These flowers, which appear in a spring, are not showy and are sometimes not noticed behind the huge leaves. The seeds from fruit can be planted in a rich mixture of the potting mix and perlite or sand. Just barely cover the seed, kept moist and warm. The seed should evenly germinate and develop into the seedling. You can transplant into the individually pots. See above. But be patient, as developing a mature plant from a seed is a years long process. Potting and repotting Chinese fan palm. If you want to grow your Chinese fan palm in a container, select a pot that is a slightly larger than the plant root ball. The pot also should have ample draining holes and unclad clay container is ideal because it will allow excess moisture to escape through its wall and drain hole. You won't need to report these slow growing palm often, which is ideal because their roots are fragile and can easily be damaged in the process. You will now it's time for a larger container when you see roots growing out of the draining hole and up above the soil line. When this occurs, select a larger pot that provides more spaces for the root ball. Gently easy and the palm roots ball out of its old container and plant it at the same depth in the new one. Fill around it with fresh palm potting mix and to firm up the soil. Then water the palm thoroughly. Common pests and plant disease. These plants generally don't have any serious issue with pest or disease. However, they are susceptible scale insects and spider mites, which can damage of foliage and potentially kill a plant. Insecticidal soap or neem oil spray can be an effective treatment to treat infections. Common problem with Chinese fan palm. Aside from susceptibility to some insects see above the Chinese fan palm, sometimes develop discolored leaves. This is usually a sign of some kind of nutrient deficiency, usually a lack of potassium. Changing the fertilizer used to one formulated for palm will usually help. Thanks. If you likes our video, like us, subscribe us, and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.